Hello and welcome to my channel Physics for Students. My name is Shounak and I want to announce this month's date when I'm conducting a free webinar on Einstein's general theory of relativity. Yes, but before going ahead and declaring the date, I would like to take a time and honor to thank all my subscribers and the participants who participated in the last webinar. Yes, the last webinar was absolutely fabulous, and my heartfelt thanks to all the participants around the world who have participated in this webinar and made the webinar not only successful but engaging and very lively. Right on the screen you can see some of the screenshots which I have shared, and this time it was not only India. People from Israel, people from Pakistan, people from Thailand most importantly joined and participated in the webinar, and they stayed till the end. And it was followed by some fabulous, mesmerizing feedback. So I would like to share few feedback right on the screen. The feedback came right from the core of their heart, and I'm immensely thankful for me. I would say heartfelt thanks to all those who have participated and made this webinar so successful. I have seen that young people who have joined and taking notes, writing down what I am telling on the webinar. Most importantly, in this webinar, there were a lot of female candidates who have joined, and I wholeheartedly encourage. And my message to you all girls and women, young people and young ladies, is to come forward, participate and understand. Well, this is the date, 29th of October, that is a Sunday. I'm conducting again a free webinar on Einstein's general theory of relativity. Yes, I repeat, it is 29th of October, which is Sunday, and it starts from, as usual, 8 p.m. Indian Standard Time. How will you register? Right on your screen you can see my email ID. It is contact.physicsforstudents@gmail.com. You need to mention your name, you need to mention a little bit about yourself, and you need to mention your WhatsApp number. You need to send a mail and I will send you an immediate confirmation, and on Sunday morning I will be sending you the Google Meet link. As you all know, I mean to say those who have already participated and those who are new, this meeting will be conducted via Google Meet. So you will receive the link on Sunday morning in your email inbox as well as in your WhatsApp ID. Now the question is that, as I told that geography, political science, computer science, civil engineers, engineering, any kind of a background, because my basic intention of conducting this webinar is to make Einstein's general relativity simply understandable so that everyone can understand this. I am not going too deep into mathematics, yet I am not omitting mathematics. I am going into the most important thing, which is explaining each and every component of Einstein's field equation. I am really very happy that last time a lot of young girls actually came forward and they participated. Most importantly, what was very happy and what was very motivating for me is that a lot of candidates shared their participation letter, which I have given after the webinar was done, on the social media. I have seen many candidates, people from Israel, people from India, around the world. They shared their participation certificate with a nice bit of thanks note, and it shows that they are really very happy and they enjoyed the webinar throughout that. As you know, general relativity is a huge area, and in order to coincide them in a limited time, that becomes a challenge. But however, with your support, with your love and cooperation, I've been able to do that. Now your question might be that what are the things that I'm learning in the webinar? Now the thing is that I am trying to give you a complete overall perspective covering the major important components of general relativity. So we will start with special relativity, the limitations of special relativity. From special relativity, how Einstein migrated into general relativity, what are the components that needs to be understood in general relativity, what is equivalence principle. Then we will come and understand what are Maxwell's equation, how special relativity and Maxwell's equation goes hand in hand, what makes the Maxwell's equation relativistic equation. Then we go that there is no gravity but something which is called a curvature. Then we come to know something about tensors, why tensors are important, who discovered tensor, a little bit more into differential geometry is important. Then we go into understanding Ricci tensor, Ricci scalar, curvature scalar, stress energy momentum tensor, and there is a lot of things in this short video. As you can understand, it is impossible for me to explain all those things, so I'm just making you understand that this is overall we are going to cover the webinar. I can tell you that in the last webinar I included something which is called a Noether's theorem, which actually gave rise to the problem in general relativity. During that time there was a law of conservation principle which was a problem, and Emmy Noether, one of the most brilliant scientists and mathematician, made it possible by using the second Noether's theorem. I have explained that, but I feel that that was not enough and I should take a few more steps, few more slides and few more mathematical representation to make the presentation and the webinar much more successful. So without wasting much time, I would like to conclude and repeat the date. It is 29th of October starting 8 p.m. Indian Standard Time. I know it is a little bit early, but because you have your engagements, because Diwali and other festivals are coming up, so please do write a mail to my email ID and register yourself, and I will see you on 29th of October at 8 p.m. Indian Standard Time, and we will start immediately with Einstein general relativity, and I can promise you this would be a very engaging, very lively and a good amount of learning with along with via Google Meet, and I will wait for your email. Thank you very much for watching this video.